Well, here it is, May 20th. We're planting beans. It's raining. I don't know if you can see that on the windshield or not, but I planted 2 days ago and got rained out. It was muddy to begin with. I just planted until basically the wheels quit turning. Then I had to spend an hour figuring out the planter. That was fun. But I got that bottom terrace done. And I wish that unfortunately we had to run around with the field cultivator. This farm's just always got some rough stuff, and then it's been bean on bean for probably 7-8 years. So that's part of the problem. We really need to get some, I'd love to get either a cover crop. Well, we got about half the farm still needs to get terraced, and then we're probably going to start a corn bean rotation here. We'll see what the landlord wants to do. He's the one that keeps pushing for just beans, and there, I missed it. So we'll see. Otherwise, things are, well, they're working. I've got this next row unit here, number 7. Not planting it right. I don't know what's going on. It's way low. 7 and 8, both of those. And I haven't been taking the time to quite figure it out. It is planting more than 70 and 80. It's my speed is off, therefore it's off on the population. But there we go. We're just moving right along. It's soybeans. We're just trying to get the dang things in the ground. And figured out why this tractor was heating up a little bit once in a while. Heck, just driving it down the road without, just the planter empty, heck, it heat up just a little bit more than it should. Well, the fan belts, as tight as I thought they were, they weren't very tight, Heck, I got a good inch on the pulley. And, it's good and bad with all these safety shields and everything on here. You can't hardly get your hand in there to test them. And sure enough, like I said, so since I tightened it up, it seems to be working good. So I'd be getting nervous. There's a planting report coming out tonight, progress report. It's not going to be favorable. Last one that I heard last Tuesday, we've had a little bit of a rally on the prices because I want to say, there we go. There's a lot of people that aren't done with corn yet, and so I'm doing pretty good, but I'm still, the end of May, very seldom am I still planting towards the end of May. At least have as many acres left as I have this year. Usually I'm about done, if I'm not done right now. But I still have 200 some acres of spraying I have to do, and another, there's 220, 320. I got almost 400 acres of soybeans still to plant. And I know I'm not going to get them all planted probably because of the water. And they're talking rain for a week, so that's why I snuck out of work about an hour early today. Came down here, get a little bit done, make me feel better. And because the rest of this week I'm not going to get jack done. It is wet. They're talking inches, like 3 inches of rain. So, saying I'm low population. And I took and I dumped everything out of that box number 7, opened up the meter, everything, and it's still having issues. So I don't know what's going on. Hopefully we can get through this. Everything keeps turning. And there's now it's getting back up there. So I don't know what's going on. The only thing I haven't replaced is there's a cover that turns. Maybe I looked at it, I didn't see anything wrong. Maybe there's something else wrong. Can't be that expensive for that little cover. Buy that thing. See what happens. So, well, I'm gonna put you down so I can concentrate on what I'm doing. There we go. It's still raining. Oh shoot, I got a chain off. I just thought, well, I better come out here and take a look, make sure. For some reason, number one seems like it's going a little deeper, but it's not. And I just wanted to make sure that, none of these slipped. Yeah, so I just kind of looking. I'm starting to get some mud picking up. I'm going to finish this terrace and we're going to call it good. Of course, I said that 3 terraces ago, so I got to fix that chain. For some reason, these chains once in a while want to pop off. Well, this one's not even hooked up right. That's another rainy day project I'm going to work on, so I'm just looking everything over. Yeah, it's getting muddy. Starting to stick pretty good to everything, like these tires. And problem like this, then it builds up and it keeps it from the depth going correctly when it gets built up like that. As you can see, the tire's hitting it right there. Well, I don't have too much more than I'm just gonna get this terrace done. Guess I'll fix that chain real quick and I guess call it quits.